Hey y'all, today we're going to dance class, actually 2 dance classes. I'm just gonna plug you guys real quick how this went down. I'm gonna put in the description a link for $5 off. Things I took with me were a water bottle, sweat towel, deodorant. I'm just trying to help you, okay? I'm just trying to help you. I didn't take change of clothes per se, more so a change of shoes. All of the stuff you can see on their website.
Sorry, do you know where Aaron's class is?
No, that's what I was looking for too.
Yeah?
Hey! I was gonna ask what your Instagram was.
Oh, it's Aaron X. There you go.
The YouTube video, can I ask you one question? It's just about dance. What got you into dance?
Michael Jackson.
Ah.
Your phrase. Everyone say that. I run the streets. This is my block. This is my block. Yeah. Yeah. Don't make a shoot.
So since you were a kid?
My sisters were all in hip hop crews, so I've been around like dancing. I didn't get serious until I was like 18, 19.
What would you say to someone who's like considering dance? Maybe just for fun, but like they're scared.
Do it for fun. Who cares? Make the mistakes. Like, look crazy. That's where you're learning. I say that with anything. You jump into something expecting to look great. I'm sorry.
It's not gonna happen.
If you
True.
love it and you want to try it, want to get better, practice.
Right.
Keep on doing it. If it's dancing is therapeutic, dancing is slow.
5, 6, 7, 8, right side, left side, back it up, ball change me, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Now, go there. Right side, left side, left.
You don't have to be a kid to learn how to dance. You can start now.
True word.
I would say, yeah, it's always been for fun. It's like family and the culture behind it. I could do it, maybe not. And then after it's like, okay, I'll do it.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do on my channel. It's like get people like out and get people and stuff. Especially since COVID struck, a lot of people have been like indoors and just reserved. That's what I'm trying to do. But Ololo.
I will find you and subscribe.
Oh, thank you. Say hi to my people. Hi. What's your name? Priscilla. Well, we had fun.
It was a workout.
It was nice meeting you. Say your name again.
Priscilla.
Nice meeting you. It was actually really good. Are you comfortable on camera? Yeah. Say hi to my channel.
Hello, everyone on YouTube. White Tea. It's Aaron over here.
Hey. Probably time for your next class.
Have enough.
Yeah.
But thank you.
Thank you so much. You too. It was amazing. There's another class going on here. That's where I have multimedia Bollywood.
What I did to prepare myself for these classes, the day before went on YouTube, looked up videos on like how to pick up choreo fast, how to look cool when you dance. This is actually a video, guys. I looked it up. I'm sorry. I was ready to like embarrass myself as much. Or maybe you get to tell me if I look cool or not, but I feel like I look cool. You can go by yourself. It's still fun if you go alone. I went alone and it was amazing.
Right in, 1, 2. The step name is actually
Stop it. Get some help.
And then 7, 8. Yeah, good job. Here we go. We're going slide, slide, hop, hop, hop. Yeah, 5. Step over with your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, open. In and in. I also want to lower your upper body a little bit, so it's not just a left and right. As long as the foundation is this, we're just going to catch, toss. Yeah, or you can cover yourself. You cover yourself. You got this. I didn't hear you. There you go. Good night. Take care.
I had fun. It was an intermediate class too, and she said I did great. I'm done, guys. I came in. Guys, guess where I'm at? I'm at the dinner. If there's anything you've ever wanted to do, any skill you've ever wanted to perfect, now is the time. Go out, do it. Life is too short for you to postpone even. Please. I'm supposed to be at Osgood Station, and instead I'm at St. Andrew, which is pretty weird. So I thought I was walking to Osgood. Just do it, like Nike always says. Alright, bye.